What are you eating? What are you eating?
Yeah.
Is that a sandwich? Is it yummy? Where is it yummy?
For the tummy.
Yummy in the tummy? Is that yummy?
It's so much your tummy than your tummy.
Yep, mine's in my tummy. What are you drinking?
Look.
Milk. Milk's yummy, huh, in your tummy?
Maya, mira qué pantallón tiene la
Yeah.
O sea, tiene un pantallón. ¿No? Una pantalla grande.
You are sick.
Oh, what's Jorge doing?
His baby is over there.
What?
His baby's over there. It's over
Did you
there.
pee-pee over there?
Nope. I know baby over there.
Where do you pee-pee at?
Out there in the body.
That is correct.
Mine's baby out there in the body.
That's right. Cause what are you a baby?
Nope. I'm a big girl.
That's right. I'm a big girl.
You are the auntie.
Auntie's a baby.
No, Ella's a baby.
Ella's a baby. That's right.
You know baby.
No. Cuckoo gaga.
And Ella's a baby too.
Yeah. What's Ella's name?
You can.
My name is Kim. Auntie Kim. What's Mommy's name?
Soda.
Uh-huh. What's Daddy's name? You always get stumped on this. Jay. Daddy Jay.
Tyler Shay.
What's Kitty's name?
Yo.
Zoe.
Zoe.
Where do you live?
Seattle.
Seattle. Can you say go Huskers? Can you say go Huskers?
Huskers.
Go Big Red.
Go with it.
That's right. Okay, that's enough of the milk. Do you like your sandwich?
To the stomach.
In your tummy? Was it yummy? What's that? Is it granola bar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, cheese.
And cheese? This is a big snack, huh?
A big snack.
Can you count? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
then 10,
11.
11 hands.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Chico.
5, 6, 7.
¡Puchón!
Oh, basura.
Basura.
¡Basura!
Diapers go in basura.
Era el líder, no, tipo algo.
Okay. You say love you?
Love you.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye, chica.